This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by BobKory Team. Beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath single-story home in a well-established, gated section of Falcon Landing. Open floor plan which is designed for entertaining. Gorgeous island kitchen with updated backsplash and breakfast area. A cozy family room with gas fireplace and stunning wood laminate floors. Great master suite, double closets, double sinks, separate shower and tub. No flooding. Excellent Katy schools. Easy access to 99 and La Centerra, located on a cul-de-sac just a short walk to Cinco Ranch HS and Willow Fork Park's walking trails, playground, pavilion and disc golf. For more information, review the details below or contact BobKory Team at 281-394-4608.